Sadie, do you have a nice long nap? Yeah, does that make you happy? Did that nap make you happy? It was a 2-hour nap. Yeah, yeah. You're doing such a good job. See, you're standing down there. Can you show us your moves? I like to watch her feet because she stands on them. It's really cool. Yeah, you like to get some exercise in there? Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ultra.